Facts about nature. 1. The world's largest living organism is a fungus in Oregon's Mulhern National Forest that covers 2,200 acres. 2. A group of crows is called a murder. 3. A single mature oak tree can produce enough oxygen in 1 year to support a family of 4. 4. The sunflower is the only flower with flower in its name. 5. The tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant. 6. Some species of bamboo can grow up to 91 centimeters, 36 inches, in just 1 day. 7. The longest river in the world is the Nile, which spans over 4,000 miles. 8. A group of butterflies is called a flutter. 9. The average lightning bolt is 5 miles long and 1 inch wide. 10. A hummingbird's heart beats up to 1,260 times per minute during flight.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and click like.